we have an all-in-one effects bar here from Color Key. Nick, what do we got?
We have an all-in-one effects bar here. It's got a nice strobe feature, UV also featured up in the bar, a derby, PARs, and RG laser.
Red green laser.
Nice green laser. Comes with a speaker stand as well as a bag. Retails for $249. We also have a battery version available without the strobe bar and the laser. That's going to retail for $249. It has a 6-hour battery life.
Okay, now let me ask you this. On your bars, I'm noticing you at least have RGBW.
Correct.
Is that what they are, RGBW?
Yeah, these are RGBW.
Okay, right on. Yeah, I even saw kind of an amber pop up, so it's doing some pretty decent color mixing too.
Yes.
And that's with the
Yeah,
pole?
and they're all DMX programmable, so if you need to do
Okay.
color mixing in the PARs, you can get in there and go ahead and do it.
Right on. So that's the color bar,
This is the color
bag, and the tripod as
Yes.
well.
Yep.
All for $299. That's pretty good. And the battery version as well?
The battery version without the effects on top or the laser is going to retail for $249.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you
This is
very
a nice
much.
all-in-one little system for those of you who just want simple.
Yes.